Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. That's like a little 10. That's like a little 10-footer right off this ledge.
Oh! I'm so scared.
Come down to this ledge and warm up to it.
Also, it's just, I just know how freezing it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I think that's the worst part.
That was cool, huh?
The worst part is thinking about how cold it is.
I know. It's a little chilly. It freezes your fears, though.
I can jump from here. I just really don't want to be that cold. I've been so warm this whole time.
3.
No, don't kill me. I've been so warm this whole time. I don't want to ruin it now.
Let's see it. Big dub?
I can't.
Big dub?
I physically can't make myself. It's so cold.
Let's go.
Do you have towels in the car?
In the car, yeah. I brought towels.
Maybe I should get in first, like go swimming. And
Oh
then come
my
back.
God.
I can't get back up now.
Yeah.
I
Now
have to jump.
the panic sets in.
Jacob! Oh no! Jacob, I have to jump now. I can't get out.
Just go for it, man.
Oh!
Come on. You got it.
What if I slip and fall in there? Oh, it's
Come on. You got it.
so cold. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh, Jesus! Oh, yeah!
Ready for this? Are you ready for this? In 3, 2, 1. Woo!
That was a lot cooler.
Nice, dude. Good jump. How was it?
It's cool.
Just jump out as far as you can.
Oh, God. Okay.
Feet first. Let's go.
Okay.
Big dub.
Easy dub. Easy dub.
Easy dub.
Ah!
You good?
Oh, jeez. That's a lot higher. Oh, my. Oh, God. That was so scary. Oh, my God.
Yeah. No, I did.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
And then I'm off to the races.
Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in the water near you. Ready?
Still recording.
Still recording after 5 minutes, 6 minutes.
You threw it, and laid in front of Jacob. He said, "Can it flow?"
And then we'll literally just watch this sink to the bottom. Thanks, dude.
What up? What up, Pam? It's your girl Haley. I'm taking over the vlog. I'm sitting here on this rock. We're gonna jump again. Jacob, this infinite buffoon. My dad was standing up there, and he said, "Jacob, I'm gonna throw the camera down, and you're gonna catch it and record me." My dad throws the camera, lands right in front of Jacob, and Jacob goes, "Can it float?" And then he just watches it sink to the bottom. And it took us like 5 minutes to find it. He's an infinite buffoon. They're climbing up there right now. Dad, do a flip!
No.
Do a backflip!
Ready?
Yeah. Did you almost fall?
Yeah. Slipped a little bit.
You almost just witnessed him die.
Here we go. Splash zone. Yeah.
Let's go, Jacob. Are you low gang or Jake Paulers? Make up your mind. Dad, low gang or Paulers?
Neither. On my own thing.
Am Pam.
Am Pam for life.
Here we go. It's every day, bro.
Good?
Yeah, that is not going in.
Yeah, man.
I can do that all day. Hey, what's up, Am Fam? It's your girl Haley coming back at you with another outro. If you like this week's video, make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. First comment gets a shout out in next week's video. Thanks for watching. Am Fam signing off.